Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on momentum calculator on C in C++. So we're going to include IOStream, which is our first line, which is our input output stream, which allows us to see out and see in, so console output and console input. And we're going to be using namespace std for it, so we are allowed to use what's that? For example, let's say I take this so we wouldn't be able to use like void. We wouldn't be able to use cout, endl, cout, endl. You get the point. That's what we need to use, our standard namespace library. Okay. So we're gonna use let's say it's going to call the function a void function. We're going to use momentum. So void function does not return anything, but it console inputs. If this was an integer function, it would be int. Then it would be what's it called? This would be like this. We just have to do return. We're gonna have to return like this. Okay, and so basically this would be now become an int function. Okay, but we're gonna be using a void function for our code because it's much cleaner to use a void function. Okay. So yeah. So it's going to be, so momentum is mass times velocity. Okay, so velocity is basically speed and direction. Okay, so and mass is momentum. So like, yeah, to have momentum, you have to be going like towards certain direction. Okay, and you have to have certain speed and velocity. I mean certain velocity, which is direction and speed. Okay, so we're gonna see out mass times velocity, and we're gonna use whatever units we're using. It could be, usually it's what's it called? N, which is Newton force, something like that. I think it was N. But yeah, newtons. It was like the measurements in newtons. That's what I remember. But yeah. So we're gonna use a main function. I'm gonna have two variables, which is m and v, which is our mass and velocity. We're gonna say cout, enter the mass, and they'll just keep line in the console input. It's gonna be taking in a value n, which is mass. Then your console input, enter velocity. You're gonna be console inputting what's it called? Velocity, which is gonna be inputting it to the like we're gonna be inputting into the program. Then we have momentum, which is mass times velocity, which is our main function. Okay. Our void function. So I'm gonna run the program. So let's say mass is 10 and velocity is 5, whatever units it is, but that's will be 15 minutes. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll sure get to it. And if you need any like assignment help, you can go to my Instagram and I'll help you guys for a fee. Okay, I'll charge you depending on the difficulty of the assignment and how long it is. So we could discuss there. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.